Here's how you can send multiple WhatsApp messages to your leads and customers and boost your sales, get more engagement, increase your show-up rate, automate your follow-up process, and much more. Our names are Edmund Loh and Zomri Nanayan, and we have just a software that does everything we've just mentioned to grow your business through WhatsApp marketing. If you're in business, marketing, or sales, or all of this, then we don't have to tell you how important conversions and follow-ups are to your bottom line. What if you can add an additional 10%, 20%, or double to triple your sales without putting in extra effort and hard work? And that is humanly possible. We know because we speak from experience, and we merely added WhatsApp to our marketing arsenal. But that said, let's address the problems that most marketers and business owners face today: getting attention. It's because it's becoming a scarce commodity. Just relying 100% on email isn't enough. And some businesses use SMS or text, but can we be real about it? It has a lot of limitations like a 160 character limit, expensive long-term if you have a lot of leads and messages to send out. Some services are one-way communication only, and we tested its response rate. It's inferior to WhatsApp. At the same time, you can't possibly be sending manual WhatsApp messages to all of your prospects and customers, not if you have dozens, hundreds, maybe thousands of them. And this is why we are introducing Wow Blaster, the WhatsApp message solution for your business. Wow Blaster is a software app that allows its user to easily broadcast WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts in a go. And this is especially useful for business owners, marketers, and agents that want to reach out to your prospects and existing customer database. And our own testing showed that it's more than double the effectiveness of SMS minus the hefty recurring expenses. So who should be using this software? Internet marketers, webinar presenters, speakers, coaches, consultants, trainers, salespeople, agents, agencies, and practically anyone that wants to increase their sales conversions and engagement. While we cover the full list of features on this page, here's what you need to know. You can use this software in as easy as just 3 simple steps. Step 1, upload the phone number list. Step 2, compose your message. And step 3, send it out. That's it. And you can do this from your desktop computer or your phone. Imagine what this means to you when you can follow up with existing prospects and customers. You can increase sales to your products. You can save lost sales and abandoned cart. You can boost show-up rates for your webinar. You can increase attendance rate for your live events. You can sign up clients to your programs. You can conduct surveys and more creative use as long as you follow the WhatsApp policy. And don't do anything dodgy or spammy, okay? So in short, if you want to increase your sales and conversions, if you want to expand your marketing channel, and at the same time, you want to save on recurring costs on ineffective text or SMS messaging, then getting Wow Blaster will prove to be one of the wisest decisions you can make. Get your instant access to Wow Blaster today.